Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to repurpose content for different platforms, even to create a blog post under 5 minutes. It's going to take me longer probably to explain it, but I just wanted to show you just with one tool, which is make.com. It is free. You can actually create this workflow so that you can gather the data that you need for a specific channel or your own channel, and then repurpose the content for Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, create some scripts for shorts, and then also read the profile transcript or create a profile voice with the transcript of the video to create a blog post. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run it for you. In this case, I selected Gary V to be able to run the test. I'm gonna select this video here, which I already inputted into the Appify module over here. So you can see the ID of the video, which I'm gonna paste here. That way you can see it come through. Is this one here, the one that I'm going to review? So just let it. So that's the video that I'm going to cover right now. Just give me 1 second here, make sure there's no noises. Okay, there's no noises in the background. And I'm just gonna go ahead and run it. And this is going to call Appify, which is an application also that I've mentioned in the past. So Appify is an API marketplace. It's more like middleman between data sets and websites where you can actually call these data sets, gather the data that you need, and then you can actually massage it, either put it in spreadsheets or put it into applications, create websites with it, or whatever. In this case, I'm using make.com to gather that data and then analyzing it through every one of these modules. And as you can see, I'm using ChatGPT, Anthropic, Google Sheets, and Airtable. All right. So with that said, I don't want to waste your time. I'm just going to go ahead and run it. And then what you're going to see is that it's going to call Appify, which would be this YouTube scraper. And you see that he's running here. So I'm just going to run one video. And that one video, once it's finished loading, you should see this finishing up. Is going to get the data set. This second module is to get the data set. This module here is to create the voice profile for the video itself. So I'm just going to maximize this here. I'm going to increase the size. That way I can walk you through it. And you're going to see that within 3 minutes, we're going to get all this information coming through on this side, which I'm going to show it to you. So the information is going to come in this table here once everything finished. So right now, he created a voice profile. The voice profile looks like this. Okay, so direct controversial opening. So you know Gary V, right? So that's why I'm selecting people that that is well known in the industry. Raw and filter authenticity. Uses personal experience and establish credibility. So common phrases. Let me tell you about something. Here's the thing. Jesus Christ. Truth is. Transition patterns. Using rhetorical questions to shift topics. You kind of know his style. So it adds the explanation style, the content structure, audience engagement. I'm gonna go through some of these, but then I'm gonna show it to you on the table. So let's say for tweeters or for tweets, he created. Let me just show you the messages, content. He creates 5. So it's Gary Vee wisdom. It is not an algorithm issue. It is you issue. Different platforms demand different content. Now the first 3 seconds, the thumbnail and the copy. Let's just start blaming the algorithm and start making changes, social media, and it gives you the hashtag. So we know how he speaks, and that's the way that he speaks. So it represents him within the tweets. Here's the thing. Investing in yourself means investing in your team. Stop spending on dumb stuff and reinvest in people who grow your business. Kids want to work in social media, not fast food. Hire them. Okay, so those are the tweets, and it's going through the end of the cycle. So I'm just going to jump into the table here, and you'll see that the rows will be added. So again, you have the title of the video, which, as we saw, that's the one that we spoke about. This is the video URL. How many views? 19,000. Duration is 31 minutes. You got the Twitters or the tweets that I just show you, right? We got LinkedIn posts, and these LinkedIn posts have short form, medium form, and long form, which is more than 3 to 5 like 6 paragraphs. We can read the first one. I to blaming the algorithm for content poor performance. Let's cut through the noise. It is not your algorithm, it is a new problem. So it aligns with that. Then it creates carousel. The carousel is beautiful because it actually gives you, the hook. It gives you the CTA. It gives you the insights between each carousel. All you have to do is create, the images if you have an editor or whatever. That's something that you can hand off. But even if you're a solopreneur, you can actually use Canva to get this information there and then put it into a Canva templates, and then you can generate carousels like that. Shorts. So again, it's the same thing. So it gives you the opening hook. Listen up. If you think that lack of social media is this algorithm issue, you're that wrong. It is your problem. And then it tells you, hey, explain the instance of a paragraph, powerful takeaway. Then these are like the cuts within the shorts. Then you have to a controversial and punchy tone, and then end them with the CTA, right? So ready to level up. Hit that follow for more no sense tips. Now this one is the one that I like the most because it gives you the outline of the actual blog post. So it gives you the title, it gives you the H1 tag. This is all SEO optimized. The introduction gives you H2 tags, gives you the conclusion, and even tells you the words that are related to the content that he created. Okay. Now it also grabs the thumbnail, which you have here. It creates an image with ChatGPT. This is DALL-E. So as you can see, like it aligns with what is being talked about, which is social media. You have somebody on the laptop, all busy on the desk. The beauty of this is also that now the images are coming so good right now that even the cartoons or the people that are on the images now have the right amount of fingers. Before they used to have like 6 fingers and it'll just look crooked. But now you see that the image is just beautiful. Like have good colors. It's just like high definition and so forth. So that is a good output. And then this image will be added to, in this case, the image gets generated. So for ChatGPT here, you actually ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt to create an image based on the content that you gave it. So you can actually add AI to help you with the prompt itself. You don't have to come up with the prompt yourself. Of course, you have to review it and then add it where you need to add it. And then with that prompt that was generated, it'll create the image that you wanted. And then here, it will create the Google Doc, and then the image will be added to the Google Doc, which is what I'm going to show you here. And this is what it looks like. So if I open it here, you see the actual image. If it loads, the actual image that was generated, 31-minute social media crash course that will grow your business. Tea with Gary Vee, episode 71. John Gary Vee, and a fast, rapid, with actionable steps to boost your business. Why your content is not working on social media, building your social media team the right way, platform and specific content, what actually works, the long game, why patience matters in social media, and so forth. So, this is, again, under 5 minutes, you have all this information that you can actually repurpose to different channels. A request from you is like, just tell me, is this information useful? Do you need more details? Do you need to give you, I don't know, create a mini course that tells you how to build this? You want me to give you the actual template and, with an explainer video? Do you want a one-on-one for me to walk you through it? Like, I just don't want to give you like all the details here and this taking too long. But if that's what it takes for you to be engaged and for you to find value into these videos, let me know. So just comment on the video. Let me know what's working. Let me know what's not working for you. If you want me to do something else, let me know. But, the goal of these videos is for me to pretty much document my journey, right? Which my intention is that my journey would help you get value out of the videos. But again, right now is what I'm doing, what I'm learning, what I'm putting as content. But I want these to also works for other people. So if you find a value, please let me know. Again, I'm trying to improve, so any feedback is welcome and very appreciated. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.